For those individuals who have yet to understand the notion of purpose, much less to even have an understanding of their specific purpose, what is your suggestion? What would you suggest to them?
What would I suggest to them? They're trying to find their purpose, or they just have not even seen it. Like they don't know what that looks like at all.
Just offer suggestion in all accounts.
Okay. I would say get to know yourself. I think that's, for me at least, that's the biggest thing. When you know who you are, you know what you want, right? You know what you don't want. And therefore you can pinpoint what makes you happy and the things you want to do to continue that happiness and fill in, your purpose at that point. I think just pretty much to get to know yourself. If you know who you are, you're a dangerous person in a positive way, of course.
Know thyself.
There you go.
So that requires some introspection.
Yes, absolutely.
Yep.
Absolutely. Lots of people are codependent on other people, which really doesn't give them an opportunity to get to know who they are and what they want. And therefore they end up resenting the next person because they never got an opportunity to explore what they really want and who they really are and where they want to go.
For our listeners, and especially those individuals who are struggling, not having a good understanding of what purpose is or their purpose, what is that one or two takeaway from our conversation, from the discussion that we're having about purpose, that you would like to leave with them?
Know that purpose is divine, right? So that means that it's love, and it is something that you just can't get from anywhere. It's something that's within you that no one can take away from you. That's one. And two, it's intentional. It's not an accident, it's intentional. And I think that's a beautiful thing. It's beautiful. Like putting forth your effort into something intentionally, knowing that the payback is all for you and no one has to do anything to activate it or validate it or teach you anything about it. You just kind of go with what it is that you like to do and what you can offer. And the fact that you actually love doing it is the beautiful part of it.
It's not work, huh?
No, it's not work. It's not work. It's fun. It's fun. And if it's fun, then you on the money.
Wow. Then you're somewhere where you belong, huh?
Exactly.
Wow. Now, as we're coming to the end of our conversation, are there any closing remarks? Anything else you'd like to add?
I don't think so. I think I've said pretty much what I feel in this situation as far as purpose. And I mean, I guess maybe I would emphasize it's really all in the journey. It's not about the finish line. It's more so the journey. The fun is in the journey. And I would say to embrace that, the mistakes, the triumphs, the hurdles, whatever it is that I think that people should embrace that a little bit more. That's all.
Take what your life is offering you and learn from it.
Absolutely. And know you woke up today to actually have those trials and tribulations, you know what I mean? To have that chance again. So enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Enjoy it. Great advice. So, Ms. Moore, I want to thank you for joining me today on the A Collision with Purpose project Under the Spotlight. Your insights will undoubtedly add immense value about purpose. I'm looking forward to having you back under the spotlight to continue our conversation about purpose. As you rightfully stated, Purpose is ongoing, and you're in pursuit of your purpose. It's a never-ending journey. But however, it's a journey that you enjoy, and you can't wait to get back to tomorrow. So I'm going to extend an invitation for you to come back on whenever you see fit. Do you accept?
I do accept, Laxley.
Thank you so much. Folks, this brings us to the end of this edition of the A Collision with Purpose Project Under the Spotlight. If you're like some individuals and would like to have a better understanding of your purpose, then please submit your short video speaking on the topic of purpose to acollisionwithpurpose@gmail.com. If you'd like to participate in an interview much like this one, then submit your request to be interviewed to acollisionwithpurpose@gmail.com. Please note that your video and your interview will be posted on our social media platforms. That is it for now. Blessings always.